Listen up, Aldi shoppers. I'm showing you the healthiest, best quality buys for low Aldi prices and what you absolutely need to avoid. This video is also sponsored by Thrive Market, but more on that later because we're starting with meat and seafood. And I love, with a passion, this ground beef from Aldi. It's 100% grass-fed, grass-finished, organic ground beef. Pro tip, get the cheaper one. Why? Because look what this says. It's $85.15. If you get the $93.7, you're paying more. And yes, it's leaner, but it might be too lean in my opinion. Fat is flavor. So get this. And why is this better than regular beef? Because this is GMO factory farm beef. It only eats grain. This only eats grass. So nutritionally, it's better for you and I. And at $6.49 a pound, it's a great deal. And don't leave the beef section without getting steaks. These are relatively new, but they're 100% grass-fed beef steaks. Look at the marbling on that ribeye. Look at the price too, to get ribeyes for $15 a pound or strip steaks for $14 a pound. This is as cheap as they get, and they're going in my cart. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the price of $5.79 a pound for organic boneless, skinless breast is some of the cheapest I've ever seen. And this is the organic Simply Nature brand. You can't beat it, but for me, I would scoop the whole USDA organic chicken. My friends, it's $2.79 a pound. You talk about economical. You can butcher this into individual cuts. You can take the leftover carcass and bones and make bone broth, which is incredibly good for you. Don't sleep on that chicken. The seafood department is a little disappointing here at Aldi. They barely have any wild-caught seafood. I mean, look at this. This is coho salmon, which is usually wild, but it's product of Chile, farm-raised. You might be saying, Bobby, just go to the freezer department. Wild-caught salmon, yes, but the devil's in the details. It has preservatives, and it's from China. We don't want that, which is a little disappointing. So when it comes to meat and seafood, that's my ultimate picks here at Aldi. But stay tuned, we're talking about snacks coming up. Let's talk about the ultimate snacks to buy at Aldi, and there are many, like these potato chips. And they're obviously so popular, it's the last bag. And when you scan it with the Bobby Approved app, it's Bobby Approved. Why? Well, what does it say on the front? They're avocado oil chips. What's the problem with most chips at the store? They're fried in inflammatory seed oils. This is just potatoes, avocado oil, and salt. I can vouch for these. They are delicious. Rose loves them, Desi loves them, and the price of $2.99, these are siete dupe, but they're cheaper, and they're going in my cart. This right here is one of my favorite new snacks at Aldi. Do not sleep on the beef sticks, because they're more than beef. They're 100% grass-fed beef sticks. Look at the ingredients. They're picture perfect. Look at the protein, 10 grams with 6 grams of fat. Protein plus fat satiates your hunger a long time. You know what's going to satiate your wallet? The price. They're $1.42 an ounce. So much cheaper than anything else. If you haven't tried these yet, put them in your cart. I probably wouldn't get most of the bars here at Aldi except for these. It's their version of a Lara bar. Check this out. Apple pie with legit ingredients. Apples, almonds, dates, and cinnamon. That's it. Or my favorite, peanut butter with dates, peanuts, and salt, including 7 grams of protein coming from the peanuts. These are really nice because they're super cheap, way cheaper than Lara Bar, and they make a mean snack. So when it comes to snacks at Aldi, those are the ones I would get. And stay tuned, I'm gonna show you some stuff you wanna have in your pantry for sure. It's time to talk about pantry staples, and do not sleep on some of these items. They are best in class, like bread. This is one of the best breads in any grocery store, in my opinion. It's the Aldi brand Knock Your Sprouts Off organic sprouted bread. Sprouted bread is the most nutrient dense for you and I. It unlocks more nutrition and it's easier to digest. When you have organic sprouted wheat, millet, rye, and oats with a little bit of honey and molasses, it's as good as it gets. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. Some people don't have the organic version at your Aldi. Leave a comment down below, let us know. But for $3.59 a loaf, you'll never get a better price. And honorable mention, if your Aldi has it, although the manager said it might be seasonal, the organic sourdough boule is amazing. This is legit sourdough done right with real organic wheat and fermented sourdough enzymes. Nothing is better than that. At $4.39, these are a must. This right here is one of the best pastas in any grocery store, and it's relatively new. It's the AldI bronze cut organic pasta. Wait for it, it's made in Italy, and it's made with Italian Alps water. Mind blown, my friends. This is 1 pound packet for $2.69. Do you see the noodles have a little texture to them? Because they're bronze cut. That's high quality. The organic wheat in Italy is the best you can get, and to be made with purified Alps water, delicious. Let's say you're gluten-free, I would reach for this chickpea rotini. Number one, it's $2.99. Number two, talk about a complex carbohydrate, 12 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber. 2 pastas, epic prices at AldI. How do you know what the best sauce is here at AldI? Well, I'll show you. It's the Simply Nature Organic Marinara sauce. First of all, it's only $2.19. Second of all organic tomatoes and seasoning and nothing else. And why do I say it's the best? Well, pick up a usual jar of marinara sauce and you'll see it has sugar and soybean oil. Now, normally I do like my tomato sauces to be made with chopped Italian tomatoes, but they don't quite have those options here at AldI. This is your best option. You combine it with the budget pasta and you have AldI pasta night done right. This is not just the best olive oil at AldI, it's one of the best in any grocery store. It's in glass bottles, but it's also Sicilian single origin extra virgin olive oil. Pro tip, when you see that stamp on there, that means it's made under very strict regulations, which means it can't be fake. It's bottled and made in Sicily from the most recent harvest, and it's a great price. Put this in your cart, my friends. Also, I do want you to check out thrivemarket.com. My link down below gets you 30% off your first order and a free gift. But anything you find normally at the grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper. You save about 32 bucks compared to going to the store, but the box comes to your house. I'll type out a list of my favorite things I order on Thrive Market and put it in the description box down below. And once again, my link down there gets you 30% off your first order and a free gift. Check it out. Have you ever noticed how good the coffee section is at AldI? My friends, this is single origin Guatemalan coffee, single origin Colombian coffee for $7.19 a bag. A bag of Dunkin' is usually $7.50, and those are blends of inferior beans, in my opinion. This is super high quality Joe. Even if you want organic single origin, they have it for $8.29. Great deals to be had in the coffee section. Can I show you something I've been buying for years from AldI? It's these 90-second quinoa and brown rice packets. The perfect thing for an easy side dish for dinner. Made with organic brown rice, quinoa, and olive oil. Wait for it, 8 grams of fiber, 6 grams of protein. Easy to make and nutrient dense, but I wouldn't buy the jasmine rice one because it's made with the dreaded sunflower oil. But at $2.29, you have to scoop these, my friends. Also, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It always blows my mind that 85% of you guys watching the videos aren't subscribed, which means you're missing out on videos from your favorite grocery stores all the time. So make sure to subscribe, join the family of 10 million plus. This is relatively new, but I love it. My friends, it's chicken bone broth that's organic. Wait for it, literal perfect ingredients, and punch into the protein. 20 grams of protein is stellar. Combine that with chicken bones, being rich in collagen and gelatin, which is great for your skin and joints, and it's very gut friendly. Because we're at AldI, it's only $2.99. This is like a kettle on fire dupe. It is awesome. So those are the ultimate list of pantry items to get here at AldI. Stay tuned, because next up we're talking dairy. If you're gonna buy eggs at AldI, just go straight for it, my friends. The pasture-raised golden brand eggs. These are a great price. They're $4.85, and pasture-raised eggs are nutritionally superior to any other eggs for you and I. And yes, these are organic, but they're the same price. And organic's nice, but these chickens never go outside. These only live outside. This is what you want in your cart. Organic Greek yogurt is good, but how come the Bobby Approved app says this one is not good? Well, 12 grams of added sugar, which is 3 teaspoons, and natural flavors is not ideal. But just swap it to the plain Greek-style yogurt. My friends, this big tub is $6.29. You're talking about protein goals. 17 grams of protein is where it's at, because Greek strained yogurt compared to conventional yogurt has way more protein and less natural sugar, and it is absolutely delicious. And remember, when you're in doubt at the grocery store if something is good, scan it with my free Bobby approved app. It highlights bad ingredients. It tells you why they're bad. It's like having me go shopping with you, and it's free. Apple App Store, Google Play Store, links down below. This is AldI's version of Kerrygold butter. It's Irish grass-fed butter, European style too, so this is superior to even the organic style because American style butter has more water and less fat. This is more fat, and it's only $3.99, and it tastes delicious. Do not miss the butter. I got not one, but 3 cheeses for you, starting with cheddar slices for $2.79. First of all, that makes a mean sandwich, and you are what you eat. So if you have organic dairy, you're avoiding the GMOs. Remember that Irish grass-fed butter a second ago? This is Irish grass-fed cheese, once again, from Irish cattle. It's their take on Kerrygold Dubliner, and it's $4.59. Even cheaper though is this grass-fed Aussie cheese for $3.59. Awesome cheese selection. So when it comes to dairy at AldI, those are definitely on my ultimate shopping list. Now let's move on to fridge and frozen items. One thing you're gonna wanna keep in your fridge to make a mean sandwich is turkey, but not just any turkey. Look, it's organic USDA turkey with perfect ingredients. What's the problem with most lunch meats? They have mystery meat, fillers, and preservatives. This is perfectly Bobby approved, and it's $4.79 for the packet, which it comes out to $12-ish a pound. Definitely an AldI deal. It's tough to find a Bobby approved hot dog, but AldI has the perfect one. It's not only USDA organic, look what it says. It's made with 100% grass-fed beef, and the other ingredients are perfect. It's seasoned with mustard, white pepper, garlic powder, and mace. Classy ingredients. You get a whole packet for $3.99. Hot diggity dog, my friends. I love me some cold brew coffee, but these are not the same, my friends. The brand name here has natural flavors, which is the biggest lie in the grocery store, and it's more expensive than the AldI brand, which is cold brew, but check it out. It's regenerative farm. What's the benefit of cold brew for you and I? It's a lower acid, so it's easier on the stomach. Just be careful, it's got 200 milligrams of caffeine, but at $4.99, this makes a mean cup of joe. You might not know this, but in the frozen section now, AldI has some epic seafood options like langostino tails. These are wild caught. They're like a succulent little baby lobster tail. And for $13.99, cook this and mix it with some of that pasta sauce and pasta earlier. It's delicious. So that's what I would get when it comes to the ultimate guide to fridge and frozen items here at AldI. That is it, my friends, for the ultimate guide to shopping AldI in 2026. Write your grocery list and come on down to the store. Do also check out thrivemarket.com. My link down below does get you 30% off your first order and a free gift, but I'll see you soon. Until then, hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love from me to you, and peace. Bye.